Here we are. This is Serge from Prestige Motorcycle Tours in Dubai. And we've got Corey here with us today. And he's decided to mix business with pleasure, which we should all do every now and then, right?
Absolutely.
So Corey, listen, we're going to take the Hatta Motorcycle Mountain Tour.
Looking forward to it. Looked you up online. Got nothing but killer reviews. Looking forward to a great ride.
I know there's something I like about this guy. Anyways, we're ready to go. You ready?
Ready to rock and roll.
Let's do it. There you go. Let's go. Let's go through the camel.
These guys just waiting for tourists.
Yeah, let me take.
All right. Hey, I'm good to ride.
Okay. How'd you like the mountains?
Yeah, that was a real smart stop and wait for people to get to the top.
Yeah.
Mountains are great. Wow. This is all man-made?
Yep. What do you think?
Oh, this is beautiful.
Isn't it?
Really cool place.
What an amazing ride! Oh my God. It was actually cold all day. I should have worn my leather jacket.
Awesome ride. Best day ever.
You get that all the time. Ready?
Ready.
This is Corey with the C.
CJ Rosenbaum.
So listen, we had a fantastic day today. Did we? Yes or no?
This day was absolutely awesome. The riding was off the charts. You are an insanely awesome tour guide and friend.
Oh, shucks.
Great day. Great riding day.
So what did you expect when you booked it compared to what you saw and what we did? Is it exactly what you expected?
You know what? I expected to go to the deserts and see some really beautiful stuff, but I had no idea how vast it was.
Really?
And seeing the camels with you was awesome. And then the oasis we went to, and the restaurant, just an absolutely awesome tour. Couldn't be better.
Thank you, sir. Signing off.